Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside the world's most extraordinary luxury estates. Today's tour is truly special. Step beyond the gates and into a private dream home designed for elegance, scale, and timeless luxury. This is not just a house. This is a statement of success, craftsmanship, and refined living. As we approach the property, the first thing you'll notice is the grand presence of the estate. From the aerial drone daytime view, the home sits perfectly within its expansive grounds, offering privacy, symmetry, and architectural beauty. The blue and gold design elements immediately set the tone, giving the estate a regal and modern luxury feel. Passing through the main entrance gate, a wide private driveway leads you to the front of the mansion. The entrance is bold yet elegant, with detailed stonework, tall doors, and golden accents that welcome you into a world of luxury. This is the kind of arrival that makes a lasting impression every single time. Step inside, and you're greeted by a breathtaking living room. Soaring ceilings, oversized windows, and natural light flood the space, highlighting the rich blue tones and gold finishes throughout. The room is designed for both comfort and grandeur, perfect for hosting guests or enjoying quiet moments in absolute luxury. Just beyond the living room, the home opens into a stunning kitchen that blends beauty with functionality. The large marble island sits at the center, surrounded by custom blue cabinetry, gold hardware, and premium appliances. This kitchen isn't just made for cooking, it's made for gathering, entertaining, and creating unforgettable moments. Connected seamlessly is the elegant dining area. A long dining table, surrounded by blue upholstered chairs, sits beneath a striking golden chandelier. Whether it's a formal dinner or a casual family meal, this space is designed to elevate every experience. One of the most peaceful areas of the home is the private prayer room. Designed with calm lighting, soft textures, and refined blue and gold details, this space offers tranquility and balance, a quiet retreat within a vibrant estate. As we move through the home, the bedrooms continue the theme of refined luxury. The primary bedroom feels like a five-star suite, featuring expansive windows, plush furnishings, and a soothing blue and gold color palette. It's a space designed for rest, privacy, and comfort at the highest level. The bathrooms are equally impressive, offering a spa-like experience. Marble finishes, gold fixtures, and modern design elements come together to create spaces that feel both luxurious and relaxing, the perfect place to unwind at the end of the day. This estate also includes a fully equipped private gym, allowing you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving home. With modern equipment, natural light, and premium finishes, it feels more like a luxury fitness studio than a home gym. For entertainment and relaxation, the TV lounge is the perfect destination. Plush blue seating, ambient lighting, and a cinematic setup create an ideal environment for movie nights, game days, or simply enjoying your favorite shows in style. Step outside, and the luxury continues. The swimming pool area is designed like a private resort, featuring crystal clear blue water, elegant golden lighting, and comfortable swing seating that adds both charm and relaxation. This outdoor space is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying beautiful days in total privacy. The garage is more than just storage, it's a showcase. With polished floors, blue ambient lighting, and space for luxury vehicles, it reflects the same level of detail and design as the rest of the estate. Every corner of this home has been thoughtfully designed to deliver luxury, comfort, and timeless appeal. From the grand architecture to the smallest interior details, this property represents the very best of high-end living. If money were no object, could you see yourself living here? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for American Dream Mansions, where we bring you exclusive access to the most incredible homes around the world. Until the next dream home, we'll see you inside the next mansion.